Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm doing something special and I have a special guest here, Steve.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve. So excited to be Yasuko's channel today. And a little bit about me to everyone. I have a YouTube channel. It's called MrJanAllInOne. On my channel, I do travel, luxury, and beauty. And I've been with a skincare company called SK2 for 14 years. And today we're going to do a 4 easy step to make you look even more beautiful.
Yes, and he's an anti-aging expert and I get a lot of requests for anti-aging facial stuff. So he's gonna show us how to do it.
Okay, so first step is we'll want to cleanse Yatsuko's face. And since we don't have a water here, I'm going to use the lightweight toning lotions. And that will remove her makeup really good. And ideally, you want to use cleanser to wash your face is the best. What I do, I like to put on a cotton pad, just lightly swipe, like this way. And we're going to leave the eye makeup alone, so we're not touching the eye makeup. Your skin's good.
Thank you. Well, I have been using SK2, so.
So I'm going to clean this. I'm going to clean the other side real quick. For skincare, the most important thing is your cleansing. If you don't cleanse your skin properly, the skincare will not go in deep enough and do what it's supposed to do. And we learned that especially in the US, people are so busy and they don't take time to wash their face. So taking time to wash face is very important.
I'm guilty of that.
You're guilty of that? Just a little bit more. Make sure you're completely clean. How's it feel?
That feels good.
And you have a dry skin or oily skin?
I have a combination, but I think lately it was kind of getting drier.
Getting drier.
I think it's because of the premenopausal hormonal.
So, hormonal, yeah. And the weather, we live in California, it is a little bit drier.
Yeah.
So that we just clean the face, clean the neck. Now we're going to move to the next step. After cleanse the face, the first product I recommend Yasuko to use is SK2 Facial Trimmer Essence. And this is the product I've been using for 14 years. And it truly is amazing that you use a couple drops of cotton pad and then you press on the face for 1 minute, the entire your face. So we're going to do half the face to show you guys before and after a little bit. As you press, you want to see the water, the essence on the skin like this. You're supposed to feel very hydrated as you press in there.
Yes.
And you've been using the essence a little bit, right?
Yes. Yeah, it feels good.
Feels good. And ideally, you want to use this after toner before your treatment. And what is in this facial trimmer essence? It's the ingredient called Patera that was discovered about 35 years ago in Japan. And scientists visit the sake brewery, noticed that the worker has a pronounced line wrinkle on the faces, but the skin hands are very smooth. So he discovered when they're making sake, their hand is immersed in that liquid. So he think that liquid may be the reason why they have a beautiful hand. So they studied the liquid for over 5 years. Turned out the liquid naturally contain all the good vitamins, amino acids, minerals in there. So he named the liquid called Patera, and that becomes secret key to beautiful skin 35 years ago. And that's what SK2 stands for.
Oh, okay.
Interesting story,
Yeah,
huh?
very interesting.
And then you can see the skin with the essence and without the essence.
Yeah, it feels,
It feels
more, hydrated here
hydrated.
already, yes.
So now let me finish the other side of the skin.
And it's good to like pat it, like press it in.
Press in there. The reason why is that our skin naturally create a barrier. That's what you see outside. And as we age, we don't renew the skin naturally, so a lot of dead skin on top. So when you apply skincare, a lot of time they don't go inside, they sit on top. So essence, when you press, it forces the essence going deeper. In fact, essence is very, under the microscope, looks very similar to human skin cells. So when I press, they will go in deeper.
I
So they
see.
do better. I can use around the eye area too. More you do, better your skin going to look.
Okay.
I want to show Yasuko a little tip here.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get really dry on the cheek area after the cotton pad. Don't waste this. Put this right here as a little mini mask
Oh, okay. Nice.
for a few minutes.
Okay. Like it.
Because Yatsuko told me that you worry about aging, so we're going to show you this product called RNA Power Essence. And what this serum going to do for you is help you plump and hydrate the skin, reduce pore size and fine line. And the biggest technique I want to share is that when you use a bottle like that, you must use the whole dropper
Oh,
for your
okay.
face. A lot of people use one drop.
Right.
That's not enough.
Okay, so use a lot.
You have to use more, yes.
I see.
So I'm gonna basically what you do is gonna pat around the skin like that. And this, I'm gonna embarrass myself. You are the massage expert, so I'm gonna show you what we do, but probably not as good as what you do.
Well, I'm not an esthetician. I'm a massage therapist, so I don't really massage the face.
So we want to just glide upward to the skin. As I touch your skin, honestly, your skin does feel a little bit more drier. Yeah. And it's very important if your skin feels dry, you must hydrate the skin before you put anything. Because if you don't hydrate it, nothing is going to really work underneath the skin. Just like that, very simple. How's that feel?
Good, and I like the acupressure points you're pressing too.
I'm learning a lot from you, so.
And it's very important to drink too, right? To
Yes.
hydrate from inside.
Hydrate the skin. See, that's it. Very simple. Let's move on to the next step.
Okay.
After the serum, I definitely recommend you start with the moisturizer. So I'm going to use the SK2 RNA Power Cream. But I want to be honest with you, that I'm not saying you have to use SK2 skincare. You can use any skincare you like. But the trick is that to find the skincare that address your skin concern. So for example, you worry about anti-aging. So all your skincare should be anti-aging.
Okay.
Don't buy brightening. That makes sense?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the biggest mistake people do. They bought the wrong product for the skin. So
I see.
so I'm going to put a little bit. Actually, I'm going to put a lot because your skin is very dry.
Okay.
So after that, so we're going to just glide to the skin. And I'll leave the eye area alone because we're going to apply eye cream later. So, see, I glide the skin. I'm not pulling the skin, so that's good. If you pull the skin, you're actually going to cause more wrinkle. So.
Yeah, I sometimes get the question that, face massage, isn't it bad because you're pulling the skin?
Uh-huh. Ah, I see. So that's how you do it.
Okay, so
Very simple.
You glide over.
I glide over, yes. Okay. See? Voila! Fast and easy. Let's finish the last final step.
Okay.
To complete your skincare ritual, we're going to finish with eye cream. And a lot of people will say use a ring finger to apply eye cream. I want to show you my little tip right here. The best way is put eye cream on back of your hand.
Okay.
And you massage till there's no colors.
Oh.
Once there's no color, you basically pat around the eye area, use the ring finger. The reason why is if you put eye cream direct on the skin, it's too much cream on the skin. It can cause a little media, all of little bump.
Oh, okay.
So this way you will not have that issue. And then if you worry about aging, you can glide. But see, I'm not pulling your eyes, I'm glide.
Okay.
See, this you have to be very careful with this one because if you pull the skin, you're gonna get more wrinkle than ever.
I see. So that's the key, you glide over.
Yes. So once again, any eye cream should do the jobs. Just make sure it's for anti-aging.
Okay.
And if you worry about puffiness and dark circle, you don't want to buy eye cream. You want eye gel.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because that you need massage to reduce the puffiness and dark circle.
So you use the eye gel.
Eye
to,
gel,
okay.
yes. Let me finish the other side.
Okay.
And you asked me earlier about the if you concern both anti-aging and brightening, what do you do?
Yeah.
Honestly, one for day and one for night.
Okay.
The reason why is that you can't put too much product on the face. Anything more than 5, 6, that's just too much. And your skin won't even absorb.
I see.
So I would do anti-aging at night, brightening and daytime.
I see. Okay. Good to note. And how often do you recommend you do this? Like every day?
Skincare?
Yep.
day and night.
Day and night.
Day and night, every day. You're so cute.
Be diligent.
Yeah, because, I mean, you don't. If you don't have the time, you don't need to massage it. I just pat
Right.
it on like.
Yeah, okay.
This is okay, but you
Okay.
have to try to massage a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
So that's it. That's your little 4-step skincare.
Easy.
Easy.
Yeah. And it feels amazing. You feel so like
Feels good.
hydrated and plumped
Yeah.
than ever before. So yeah, this works.
Yay.
So thank you very much for doing the facial, the anti-aging facial. I feel so plumped and hydrated, and it's just amazing. Can you come over like every day?
You can come to my place every day. That's okay.
And your channel name again is?
Mr. Jan All-in-One, and my channel is all about fashion, luxury. Like you can see, this is my little closet, and I do beauty and travel.
Awesome. So yeah, go check out his channel too. And if you have any kind of skincare questions, please ask him.
And check out my Instagram too, Mr. Jan All-in-One.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.